And this is basically how to water run. Well, that was an example. That was a good run. But basically, you do this motion in the water. Make sure as soon as you hit the water, you immediately put it back out. As you see, like, it's like hopping. Make sure you don't go like... Make sure that you stay at a consistent pace. Make sure you don't go like... Stay at a constant motion. Remember, move in as soon as you hit the water. And that is basically it. I learned it in the lava update, so it's a lot easier in the water. Listen, you'll get it. But if you want a more advanced tutorial, I recommend finding a bigger YouTubers, but well, I hope you liked my video. And that's all.